Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, you will learn how to configure a custom confirmation message using a Gravity Forms plugin. So let's get started with this video. Before getting started, ensure that you successfully install and activate the Gravity Form plugin. Now, all you need to do is click on this form tab here in the sidebar. As you can see, the Gravity Forms window will appear. Now you can either create a new form or edit the existing form. As I want to edit the existing form, I will simply click on edit under our service and a form window will appear. Now go to settings and click on confirmation option like this and choose default confirmation. Now click on edit and you can now start editing the form as per your requirements. You can also copy the text and simply paste it here like this. Once simply click on save confirmation and your edit will be saved successfully. Now back to edit and on the top right corner click on embed. Here you can embed your form like this as per your requirements. As I want to create a new option that is survey, so I will simply type here survey and click on create. As you can see, my survey form has been created. Once done, simply click on publish and your form will be published successfully. Here you can also view the page to see how your page will be shown to people. So you see, this is how easy it is to configure a custom confirmation message and embed a form using the Gravity Forms plugin. Now you can check all the functionalities whether they are working or not by filling in the details, and clicking on submit you will see that the confirmation message that we had typed will appear like this. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.